In the digital world, customer experience is a key differentiator for business. By watching this tutorial, you will learn how to manage the customer experience with ARIS. You will learn how to match how your business views the customer experience with how the customer sees your business by defining end-to-end customer journeys. You'll also see how to incorporate customer touchpoints to help make customer centricity a key driver of your digital business. With ARIS, you can use two approaches to get started with customer experience management. You can start bottom-up by identifying customer touchpoints in an existing process landscape. Or you can start top-down by creating a new customer journey map. This tutorial focuses on the top-down approach. The first thing to do is define a customer lifecycle with steps. The structure and number of lifecycle steps will depend on each individual business situation. Then you can assign corresponding customer journeys to these steps. Traffic lights show where you need to improve or redesign priorities. This gives stakeholders an overview of different customer journeys. Select a customer journey to open a detailed map. You'll see an end-to-end view of all customer interactions with your business. Each customer step can be defined in more detail by adding descriptions and responsibilities. Customer touchpoints are at the core of customer journeys because they are where customers interact with your business. Touchpoints can be linked to responsible owners, potential risks, and suitable initiatives to help prevent problems, in- and output data, valuable KPIs, and channels that identify the communication medium. All this data can be used to create performance dashboards for executives about customer experience. In the attributes, you can mark customer touchpoints as moments of truth, pain points, or best practices. A moment of truth is the point of decision at which your customers are either delighted or they abandon their journey with your business. By identifying pain points, you know what to fix to create an excellent customer experience. Once you define customer touchpoints, you can reuse them in your business processes to link customer journeys with your business process landscape and improve business processes. Now you know how to use customer experience management in ARIS to compare your as-is situation from a business point of view with the to-be experience of the customer. You learned how customer journey maps help you analyze whether the internal business processes and capabilities need to be redesigned to better support your customers. You also saw how to ensure all critical customer touchpoints get the required attention so your operations can run smoothly and result in improved customer centricity. Visit us to learn more.